Welcome to another video on my hydraulics system from Fischertechnik with 4 pistons, actually 5, a motor that is the same as the Fischertechnik power motor, like here, except that this one is not sold by Fischertechnik but by the original manufacturer. Screw pump and a rubber band, which is activated by a light switch which you can't see from here. Last time I was forced to refill the water, and that is the point where I want to start with the focus now. So let's get a better view of that. And this is once again the view from the laptop, at least what's on the laptop running, which are 2 camera views. The code in Python and terminal to run the code. And what I want to focus on right now is this part. The drops in here and in the 3 other pistons are most likely, are a result of vaporization and condensation. Question is why? The real summer heat has gone, but in the meantime things can change. So will this all work again? Let me just check. Pulling it up. Oh, look at what happens here. It's not pivoting around here. It's pivoting around some y-axis. And that is not my intention at all. Even worse, this piston is not moving. Now it is. I see water coming in here, getting out. Or is it? Not really. So this system is not really functioning at all. So in order to get it working, I need to change the position of this piston relative to this gear, which should be much larger, some like this piston starting over here and this wheel being over here somehow. So that is requiring reconstruction. Will this work? Let's see to that. Starting the program. Oh, right. Now, as you can see right here, it runs and stops, so that's not new. Here, something is not quite the way I would want to. I have to hold it. Oh, this is going wrong. This is really going wrong. Or is it? Well, just in time going right actually. But that's not an ideal situation at all. With the hand it goes safer, but how can I improve this anyway? that piston is going up very slowly, and I need to improve the vision of it, I realize. Otherwise it's not funny, not nice to watch. So let me change the position of the tripod. That is not helping. Closer, that would help. Oh, look at this. Something is going wrong here. Look at this. And again, here this has gone wrong now. It is still running, but this is not alright. Look at this. Totally gone wrong. So I need to manually correct it. And I have to do that by means of the diagnosis interface. Yes, and that is motor 1. And now let me show you how that goes. Oh, it's still working. So somehow this is not working correctly. Not at all. First time that it happens. Well, that I see it happen anyway. So, why does it happen? Alright, one solution for this is that I have now relayed the hose here. So there is here space available to move this one there. And I need to have a second fixation between the two boards, and I'm going to do that with this one, same as the earlier one, that is right here. So that are two solutions. Hopefully that work out. Let's see how it works out. So now you can see I've put a second connection part in there. So hopefully the torsion will be less. And now for the relocation actually, of this part. Let's see how that one works out. And you see the first part of the relocation, but the question is, will the piston allow that distance? Well, yeah, because I have a pivot. So will I do it like this or like this? What's the difference anyway? So, alright, now let's see about this one. This is barely affecting the third piston. So, splitting the hose, was it a good idea? Because now there's so much water in it. Look at what I'm doing now. So, what happens next? It does work with more effect, but is that indeed the best? I'll have to see about that. So then I will have to return the focus to this part, and then I see something problematic. Yeah, because it's no longer there. I've shifted it. So I have to shift it back, which means that I also have to relocate that one. Oopsie, mistake, but I'll have to redo it. Alright, now it fits. This fits, and this one and this one are now alright. So let's see how this functions this time. And another issue is now, of course, that it has to be at the exact point that it touches this sensor and it touches this sensor. So let's hope this is an improvement. Let's see how it works. How it works out. Oh, by the way, no, this is still the schematics. Nothing's changed about that one. So 2 sensors, 2 motors. This is the lamp, the light switch, and actually the rubber band is not there, I realize. Well, that is coming from the light switch. So from here, the motor 3 on the rubber band is missing. I have to add that. But first, let's run this. Slow process, going up. And yes, it does touch this switch. Yep. Going all the way down, and hopefully that one is going up. But I see the amount of water is not quite as I had hoped. There has been some leakage, my fault. Alright, all the water has been pumped, has been pushed out of this piston into this hose. That one is coming up. But it's already going up. Which also means that I have to stop it for a moment, because what is happening exactly? Digital 3, set motor 2. Yes, motor 2 is which one actually? Yeah, I have only 2 motors, so this is motor 2 for the for the bend. So that is one. Right. Set motor 2. Then I'll have to add light switch. That is much more comprehensible. Yeah. Okay. Now why doesn't it save? I have no response. Oh, now it is saved. The server had to wake up. And go again. And it is pressed right here. Yes, going down. And yes, this works slowly. So lightning fast action, not here. And now the point is, it is an impression and it does not block the light. Or does it? Okay, quit. This is 1. Does it ever turn 0? No, it does not turn 0. It is only 1. So that means that this one never reaches the point that it actually blocks the light again. Oops. Not good. And that is probably due to the lack of water in here. And that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion, which is very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please show support by becoming a patron. For more information, see my website and my Patreon page. You can also donate via PayPal and IBAN. For now, to be continued. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.